Okay, go. Hands in front. Take your time. Take your time. And turn. Take your time. And turn. And turn. And turn. Same time kick. Same time kick. Go. That's it. And go. And go. Keep going. Take your time. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go. And go. Keep going, keep going. That's it. Turn your hip, turn your shoulder. Give a knee up. Let go. Push, push, push. That's it. Go. And go. Give a knee up. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up. Okay. Chest up. Knee. Move back a little bit, please. And sit down for a minute. Okay, Chris. Okay, let's just sit down for a minute, okay? Okay. So Pichagi we learned, this is all control. Okay, round kick, same thing. Okay, control. So this time, hook kick. So turn your body sideways first. Turn your head and the shoulder. Look first. Keep a knee in front and toes in front. Or with a heel. It doesn't matter. Okay? Depends. Hook with a heel, breaking. Okay? Combinations, toes in front, longer. So score points easier. Okay, so knee up, turn. Okay, both sides. Knee up, knee up, knee up, and knee up. Okay, now look first. Make sure you turn your shoulder. Turn your shoulder. Knee in front because target is in front. Okay, now stand up, please. Take your time, okay? Get it up. Knee. Fighting set. Hey! Move up. Okay, ready. Okay, go. What we're learning on this is all the skills, balance, controls, concentrations. Okay, they have a target to learn and kick. So make sure you aim for the target. Aim for the target. It's important. That's it. Know where you're kicking. Knee in front. Knee in front. Target is in front. Hands in front. That's it. Knee in front. Hands in front. Very good. That's it. Little harder. Little harder. Little harder. That's it. By doing all this kicking, we will develop sparring skills later on. So to be all combinations all together. Okay, now let's go. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Keep a knee up. Knee up, hands up. Knee up, hands up. Okay, Charia. Knee. Now sit down for a minute. Okay, let's you over here. Okay, Charia. Knee. Okay, fighting stance. Okay, so Pichagi, so make sure you turn. Knee up, sideways. Roundhouse kick, same thing. Turn shoulder, knee up, point. Hook kick, same thing. Everything is shoulder, knee up, point target, and in front. Okay? So do it and do it slowly. Okay, now slow. One round Pichagi, one roundhouse, one hook kick. So alternate, okay? You kick, then roundhouse, then hook kick, then either side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? By doing all this, we'll develop a sparring skill, okay? Combinations, combat style. So make sure your hand is in front all the time so you can protect yourself. Okay? Okay, now stand up, please. Okay, take your time, do your techniques properly. Turn your shoulder, keep a knee up, hands in front is important, okay? There, knee, falling set, hey! Now take your time, now bounce. And go. Take your time, that's it, keep a knee up. Good. Keep your hands in front, Patrick.